Hey, Wayne here, and I was just putting the finishing touches on my review of the MyGeckoGear solar-powered rear license plate frame camera. And I got an email from MyGeckoGear with a 15% discount to pass on to all of you. So if you like what you see, the link will be below the video in the description with the 15% discount code. So check it out, and if you like it, pick one up today. Hey, Wayne here, and let's get into the MyGeckoGear Solarst solar-powered wireless backup camera. Okay, so MyGeckoGear has sent me the Solarst solar-powered wireless backup camera to review, and in the box it shows that it has a wireless backup camera, solar-powered, 4.3 color monitor, two-way mount, user manual, screws, wrench, power adapter for the monitor, and a USB cable to charge the license plate. So this license plate, out of the box, you'll probably want to charge it first, and then after that, if you park a lot outside, the solar should kick in and keep the unit charged. But if you find that it's getting low and it's not working, then I would say you probably just ran out of juice and need to plug it in. So for the most part, it should work through solar power, which is kind of neat. You don't have to run any lines through the car now. So let's check it out. I would say that this unit is probably geared towards people that don't want to wire anything through their car and want to just hook something up that's wireless, quick, simple, easy, and be done with it. So here's the license plate frame. Let's turn this around. Oh, got a big old helicopter coming overhead here. All right, I'm gonna keep going. So here's some of the parts that you get. Here is the monitor. A nice monitor, double-sided tape to tape to your dash or wherever it is that you want to tape it to. Looks like you could tape it like this to the window. Oh yeah, you could do it to the window. You could do it straight like this to your dash if you want. There's different ways of mounting this. So I already have one in my car, so I'm not going to mount this permanently. And I may give it away later, so keep watching my videos to see if I give this away. Oh, here's another mounting suction cup to the windshield, which, yeah, you just unscrew this, take this off if you want, and put this on. So this you can remove with the suction cup. This is a little more permanent on your window. So, all right. And here is your plug for the monitor in the car so that you can have that on. This is to charge the license plate if you need to, and this is to mount your license plate to your car. So let's see. So here's the camera. Looks like you can adjust it. You can move it around. So that's cool. And here is the mounting port to plug into should the solar not be enough to keep it charged all the time. And then you just plug that back in right there. So, and I'm guessing that is enough that when you are out in the rain, that it shouldn't hurt anything. And it looks like, but I'm not sure, but that looks like a little reset pin right there. So if anything gets stuck, you can push that in. Let's see here. Anything on the back we need to know about? It says please recharge it before use. So yeah, I don't think it comes shipped with a good charge. So you'll want to charge it before using it the first time. Looks pretty simple, and it looks like it must be paired to the monitor already. So let's get this hooked into my car and check it out. We'll be right back. Okay, so here's a quick setup. I didn't want to take my camera apart that's already on my car to get it out of the way for the license plate frame, but basically you would just take this license plate frame that has the camera in it and use those mounting holes to screw this plate over your license plate and you are pretty much done. So, but what I did was I just connected some suction cups and a clamp and put it on my trunk. So let's go take a look at how it's set up in the car. And here I have it mounted, again, temporary setup. I didn't want to use any of the tape. I didn't want to ruin any of the tape or anything. So, but basically you plug this into a cigarette lighter charger in your car, and then the other end goes into the back of the camera. And up on top of the camera, there's a little fingerprint deal. You just put your finger over it. You just touch it. You don't even have to push it. And the camera comes on and gives you a really good picture. So, yeah. So, anyway, there is a menu in the back of the monitor that I'll go over in a little bit. That will allow you to set like brightness, contrast, stuff like that. The camera stays on for about 45 seconds when you press that button, and you can press it again to turn it off if you want it off quicker. But if you leave it alone, it'll automatically shut off in about 45 seconds. Okay, so I have the monitor here, and I want to show you quickly how some of the settings work. And the way that they work is in the back of the camera, there is a menu. I don't know if you can see this very well, but there is a menu here in the middle, and then there is a positive and a minus for page up, page down. Okay, so when you have this going, if you want to change something, you press menu, and you'll see a menu on the screen. Now, you're not going to be able to see what I'm doing because I'm going to have my fingers behind the monitor right now to move around. But I'm going to push the positive, the top button, either in or up, however you want to push it. And then I'm going to hold the menu down. So you got to hold the menu button once you land on something that you want to edit. So here I have boosted the brightness to 7. And by default, everything is set 555. So I changed that one to 7 because I wanted it just a slight bit brighter. But that's kind of all there is to it. You press the menu button. You could press the up button to go through the menu from left to right, or you press the bottom one down and it goes right to left. When you land on something, let's change the lines. Hold the menu button down until the screen changes, and then you can, like right now I'm pressing the bottom button and the lines are getting longer. See that? So, and then they get short. So I'm going to leave it right about here, and I'm just going to tap the menu button twice to get out of the menu, and I'm back to the home screen. So that's about all there is to it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple to use. This is a great little system for anybody that doesn't have a backup camera and would like one and doesn't want to have to run wires through your car or pay somebody to install it. This is a really, really simple install. So, and the camera looks really good too. So that's another plus.